Today we're going to talk about adding courses in your Schoology account. So up here at the top, you're going to click on the Courses button. So once you click on Courses, you're going to come down to the Create button. Now once I click on the Create button, you'll see different things that I can add here, so that way I can create my courses. You won't see, most likely, your school. You won't see this here because most of you are assigned to school, so you won't see that function. But everywhere else you see a gold star. That is where you must have information at. So we're going to start with our course name, and I like to tell people to go ahead and lead with your last name dash course, or your class name. And the reason why I do that is so that way most kids and students out there have teachers that teach multiple things. And we have a lot of people teach English, a lot of people teach math, stuff like that. That way they know exactly who that teacher is, and also when we're searching for courses within Schoology, we can find them. So now when you search for a course, it's Thomas English instead of just English. Okay? Course code you can leave blank. That's something you don't have to worry about right now. Now, if I teach multiple periods, this is where I would put the period in underneath section name. So if I click on section name, I can delete that and type in period 1. All right, you see I already have that in there. Now this add button here. So what this add button does is it adds a section to my course. So what that does is it links my courses. So let me talk about courses real quick and how they work. So when I create a course and I create multiple courses, I can create an assignment, create an update, create a discussion post, or whatever it is, and I can copy to another course. So it gives me that little option. There's a little clipboard down there. We'll talk about that in the next video, which gives me the option to add to or copy to a different course. When I click the add a link section here, what this does is it allows me to link my sections together and link my courses together so that I'm managing one course through, or managing all my courses through one course. So if I have period 1, period 2, I can manage period 1 and period 2 and period 3 through one course that shows up here underneath courses. Now, once again, when I add something, it adds it to all those different periods right there with one course. Now, a downside to that is when I go to create a test, and they have a testing function in Schoology which allows the test to be opened and closed at certain times, this function has gone away when I start to link my courses. If I open up a course for first period, it opens up, or open up a test or quiz for first period, it opens up the test and quizzes for the rest of my courses as well. This is only a linked course. If your courses aren't linked, you can set your test to open and close at different times throughout the day for each course. Okay, and we'll talk about that more in test and quizzes. But that is the only downside. So it's up to you whether or not you want to link your courses, if you feel better with managing your courses all through one course, or if you want to have multiple courses so that way you can open up your test and quizzes at certain times. Okay, so once I have my courses in here, I have to come down here to my subject area. So don't worry about section code. And I click on my subject, which is language arts. And I'm going to click on my level. And today I'm going to say 9th grade. And then down here where it says grading periods, so we can't get rid of these right now because there are courses associated with these, and so we'll be working on that this year and getting all that information out of there so that way you won't be confused on which periods to click. Because I can see how you can just come in and be like first, second, third. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, okay, till you see this last one. Don't click on this last course or this last period here. You're going to start here and you're going to come up. So you got from 6 weeks, 5th 6 weeks, and on up till you get to the first 6 weeks, 2016, August 24th, 2016 through September 30th. After you've done that, you have selected your grading periods, so therefore at the end of the year, your courses will archive and students will be automatically unenrolled from your courses as well. And it saves all your materials, so that's pretty neat right there. So once you have your period selected, you can hit Create Course, and your courses are done. So once again, you just go in, create another course, and do the same process that we just went through a while ago. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or James, and we can definitely help you out with this. Thank you.